Carnival season brings excitement and celebration to Latin American and worldwide. This is why our Future Carnival Trading Competition is more than just a contest. It's a celebration of trading. Join global crypto traders between 19 February to 3rd March and compete to win your share of 2000 USDT prize pool with zero risk. Entry is completely free. You can enter the competition, trade crypto and compete for big prize without any cost. It's our way of making trading fun and rewarding for everyone. This is your chance to put your skills into the test and win a share of 2000 USDT. If you want to join, click on the link I provided into the description. Navigate to the All Contest page, find the Future Carnival Trading Competition and click Join. Join the competition today and get your name on the leaderboard. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our channel.